Roasted eggplant is my new favorite side dish. Take your eggplant, chop it all up. You're gonna mix up some spices and add that to your eggplant along with some olive oil. Roast it in the oven 450 degrees for 30 minutes. When it's done, you're gonna mix up some tahini with some lemon juice. You're probably gonna have to mix in some water to thin that out. Drizzle that on top with some chopped up dates, and you will be thrilled that no one else wants the eggplant, so you have it all for yourself. Enjoy!